So hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to change icon color in Galaxy A06 device. If you want to change the icon color, so just you have to go to settings and then we have an option of wallpaper and style. So just come here and then click to color palette. So in this section, all you guys have to do just enable the color palette option and then we have apply palette to app icon too. So enable this feature too. After that, just click apply. Now it's already applied. Now go back to home and as you see the icon color is now changed because I set it to the yellow color. But if you want to set it to any other color, so just click to color palette and then select any other color like this. Like I am selecting green and then click OK. Go to home screen and as you see the icon color is now again changed. So that's how we can change the icon color in Galaxy A06 device. That's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.